Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Nihar Sinam, and ngasi si video sida okay long-term result ama yeng minaze eyelid surgery torbagi. And adugi discussion da chathad rikanda Hollywood actor amagi face yeng minaze maze masak phajay na lawre sida right and left side se manade. Karam tagi manadam ni okay right and left face ki features me amse. Now, right the right ki face hapchalaze and left the left ki face yung hapchalaze. So sida yet oi pra manari ne sigi photo oni sida. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯐꯖꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ and ꯍꯦꯟꯅꯕꯨ worse ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯛꯁꯦ so ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯠꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯛ ꯂꯨꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤ and ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅꯕꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏ similarly ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯂꯤꯋꯨꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯁꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯁꯦ eyelid ꯐꯣꯜꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩ so ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ and ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯗꯦꯅ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯠ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ because ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ overall look ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ personalityꯁꯨ matter ꯇꯧꯏ and just eyelid ki look eyelid yet oi mane manade si khatang matter tawba nate so coming back to our case akhoi before surgery ki photo yengaze after surgery langsatpa matam gi around 79 days ki marak ta oigibne and 5 months later ki photos yeminaze magi operation je May da dogibne so June July August September October so 5 months now before surgery magi yet oije manade yet chinakhar chawbe heli pikpodi pi azu compared to the left yet na chawbe heli and line ani guma thoke tawi left ki jina clean orga yam pi maze kitang distinct oiba phajana yawba mitu pame and so magi operation tawre so operation hek lor kanda di yam chawna sema male because pom banina pomi kanda di yet oizu manadamne and kona kitang manaroidabado pomi kanda di yam manadana ubani shape je left ki jina hena boxy oi right ki jina curve se phajabe heli and pomi changche kitang di khenai adudagi magi outer corner sida akoina skin exercise tawi scar amui inner corner da apomba ani ui asije lang thopa mafam dune mi kharda sumaina reaction tawdana tissue inflammation tawdana sumaina pomba yawi asigi je 2 weeks 1 month 1.5 month da ayama migi phagi kaigumba lehauragazu yam easily procedure macha am torga fix yaba issue ne fix tawba yaba issue ne and outer side the scar lays asizu 99% mi dadi pura phagi and skin da dum blend tawraga kaishu ude kona kaigumba urazu asizu yam easily fix tawba yaba issue oi and only rarely mi kharda adum kuinali now after 5 months magi photos yeng makanda inner corner gi apom se phagre outer side the labor scars su udre and folds isu yam phasana skin je padharaga pomba handaraga yam clean on lere manu yam pamjai magi friends and family na yam phajai hai and ayi wakhanda ju yam satisfactory result oire so aina sigi video si the point out tawning is that kaigumba pomba matamda yet oi manade na khalaga ju pomba handara kanda di manadab se kitang le ju 1% manadab kinom le raga ju mina hek yeng badadi iman manarakpani and kashu differences litamni sida ju akoina kaigumba hena obsess oishalaga manabra manadabra na thoina thigatlagadi left and right ki shape kitang manade left side ki inner corner gi size na kitang chawba heli sidi akoina thoina munna seconds khar yenga kanda natraga magi operation tawe khangba mi mana magi mitche munna yenge har kanda natraga mana minse inda nungti sum differences puthokna hotna kanda uba oidoini general normal life ta kanam tana uba differences oiroi sije so pomi kanda chawba khitna baze heli chap manana sema kanda zu yet oi manadaba mangani ayamba matamda pom handara kana loina managani just like this case yet oi sembaze manadana semagadi obviously pomi kanda zu manaroi but pomi kanda manadabze pombana oirambe yai pomana kan manarpe yai sine ina haningi wase so kaigumba yet oi manadre na khalagadi around 2 weeks 3 weeks adaida khanba horpe yai 2 weeks mamangda manadre na khanjan badudi unnecessary waste of time because ayama mi doi manarakani 2 weeks ka hindora kana khar manadana sum leragadi yes kitang concerning oibi yai aduda doctor de yeng thoaga okay sidi apombana oide male kashu kaide na haibi yai natra sidi haiba ngamde ngairaga yengje haibu yai natraga sidi obviously shemba mong da khetnare aduna semdokse haibu yai adudi am experience oiba mi na yengbada maybe opinion na piba ngambazu yai aduga phanyam experience oirezu 100% digi so haiba ngamde so it is always best yamna disturbing mong oidragadi yamna nungaitaba oidragadi 3 months 6 months kumba phasana ngairaga pomba pura handora kanda tasengna khetna bra haibudo yengmana phai thanks a lot for watching this video next video da amuk thengna se mayam gi opinion ideas kai kaino share tawning bole ga disi matang da discuss tawning ga di comments tha thambiro and see you in the next one. Bye.